So the formula, so we know all the components for the formula for the circumference of a circle. So we have two formulas. Depends on the situation which formula you use. The first formula is circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. And the other formula is equal to circumference is equal to pi times diameter. So there's our two formulas. Circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r, or circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Now, if you just want to memorize one, go for it. If you just know that a diameter is 2 radii, that's how we derive these formulas. So 2 radii, which is a diameter, is going to be the same thing as pi times diameter. So let's do a couple problems where we need to use these formula. So let's find the circumference of a circle that has a diameter of 10. Okay? Circumference of a circle that has a diameter of 10. First off, which formula am I going to need to use for this one? Well, I have the diameter, so I'm going to use this circumference formula. And so I would say circumference is equal to pi times your diameter. Circumference is going to be equal to pi times 10. So 3.14 times 10 is 31.4. Circumference is equal to pi times 10. 3.14 times 10 is 31.4. Let's take another case. Let's say that I give you a circle and it has a radius of 3.5. Oh no, let's not do that. I don't like that one. Let's do a radius of 14. Okay, radius of 14. So we would say circumference, which one of these formulas would we use? We would use circumference is equal to 2 pi r, because I'm giving you radius. So circumference is equal to 2 times pi times radius, which is 2 times pi times 14. Okay, so that's where I am right now. So let's tidy this up. Let's say 2 times 14 is 28. So now I say 28 times 3.14. 28 times 3.14, let me look real quick and see. It's going to be, I've lost my place. It's going to be 88. 88 will be our final answer. Now, if you get something similar like 87 point this, that, I give a little bit of wiggle room when we're dealing with pi and rounding. In fact, let's take a moment. With this, I'm going to tell you to round to the nearest tenth. Let's have a moment. In our answers, when I say round to the nearest tenth, let's say the answer is 62.37. Remember, when I'm rounding to the nearest tenth with the TH on the end, I round this digit. So I look to the right and it's above 5. So that's going to be 62.4. This isn't, when I say round to the nearest tenth, I don't mean 62. So you would round it to 62.4. On all your answers, you're going to round to the nearest tenth. Let's see. Let's do one more. Okay. Let's find the circumference of a circle that has a diameter of 10.5. A diameter of 10.5. So I asked myself, well, which formula do I use? Look, what have you been given? I've been given diameter. So let's use the diameter formula. Circumference is equal to pi times diameter. So circumference is going to be equal to pi, which is 3.14 times 10.5. So 3.14 times 10.5, it's going to end up being roughly 33 inches. 33 inches. The book uses a different approximation for pi. They use 22/7 instead of 3.14. So that's why it's a nice, pretty 33. But if you get a decimal for that, that's fine. Okay. I hope you have a great day. I'm going to try to include an extra video for this lesson just because it can get complicated. And if you struggle, I want you to be able to have all the resources that you need. Hope you have a great day. Miss y'all.